Every journey requires a plan. We'll help get you there with these 5 stages. Be better prepared to manage the changes coming with PDPM and those that will come after. Access valuable resources as well as our team of experts to support you along your journey.
It's our pleasure to be joined this morning by Bob Van Dyk, who is President and CEO of Dyk Health Care and past chair of the American Health Care Association and the National Center for Assisted Living. Bob, thank you so much for joining us.
Pleasure.
And I know that you've made some major moves recently with your company. Can you talk about how that's been and what you're focusing on right now?
Absolutely. This past October, we sold all of our skilled buildings, and we're sort of redeploying our resources, my time, our finances, into what I see as the next sector or the next piece of what we are going to be doing. Assisted living, memory care, home care, and we recently opened a daycare for Alzheimer's. So it's exciting. My friends think that I have nothing to do since I sold the skilled buildings. But we're staying very busy, and it's really exciting. So that's where we're moving towards.
So how has that transition been for you since October? I mean, when did it start after October? Have you been preparing for that?
Well, our home care company I started 3 years ago, so that's just continued to move along. And of course, my assisted living community I opened almost 20 years ago. So the daycare is the newest piece of the project for us. But more time is being spent investing into the Alzheimer's community. So we're much more active doing that. We're doing fundraising for Alzheimer's. We're bringing in guest speakers, celebrity speakers into the community to share more about Alzheimer's. I just recently, last week, did a whole presentation on Alzheimer's. I just feel that as our nation ages, there's going to be a lot more concern with Alzheimer's. I mean, we have right now probably 6 million people in America with Alzheimer's, 50 million worldwide. So it's a real problem that we have to address. And I just feel that that's really where I'd like to put more of my time and energies into trying to get that message out on Alzheimer's.
So did that help to inform your decision to go into daycare?
Yeah, actually what informed my decision to go into daycare was my dad died in June with Alzheimer's. And before he died, he was living at home with my mom. And I saw the toll that it took on my mom trying to care for my dad. And I said, you know, the caregiver is the one who needs more help than even the person suffering with Alzheimer's. And I said, I'm going to start a daycare program where we can take care of the folks with Alzheimer's and give the caregivers a break. And that was really why I started our daycare. And it's been terrific. And yeah, I'm really happy I did it.
That's wonderful. Congratulations on all your success.